It is well known that swimming is good for both physical and mental health. The beneficial effect of swimming on the human body is difficult to overestimate. In addition, swimming has almost no cons and contraindications, and everyone can start swimming from scratch. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you swim every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. Swimming is a great fat-burning workout. While swimming, a lot of muscles are involved. While maintaining a load with low intensity for a long time is real, and this is how the process of fat consumption as energy is started. In the pool, you can maintain a pulse in the aerobic zone for a long time, while fatigue occurs much later than, for example, when running. But all this work only with a sufficiently active and continuous workout. It will be useful if you approach swimming in the pool from the point of view of sports swimming. You need to swim 45 minutes, or better, a whole hour without long stops in the crawl or fast breaststroke technique. Swimming is a great exercise. Those who are accustomed to perceive swimming as an option for additional activity or entertainment are right in their own way. But sports, swimming, even among amateurs, may well become the main sport. Training from 4 to 5 times a week for an hour and a half in one of the sports swimming techniques will give an athletic physique and a hardy body. Swimming engages every muscle in the body. Each technique gives a greater or lesser load on certain muscle groups, but the whole body still works. During the breaststroke, the athlete mainly involves the legs, thigh muscles, gluteal and calf muscles. Butterfly requires considerable arm and body strength. Crawl is a versatile style in terms of including muscle work, but each of these styles require the work of the muscles of the arms, back, body, and legs in a particular cycle of movement and to maintain the body on water. Swimming develops the cardiovascular system. While the muscles are working, the internal organs are working no less intensively. The cardiovascular system also works, and swimming makes the heart stronger. Swimming exercises develop the aerobic performance of the body, improving the heart rate and increasing its efficiency. Swimming trains the lungs. The benefits of swimming for the respiratory system have been scientifically proven. Powerful inhalations and exhalations and breath holding develop the diaphragm, chest muscles, and increase lung capacity. Swimming increases bone density. Swimming, although less than running, also increases bone mineral density. Bones become stronger. Swimming improves flexibility. Swimming forces the body to overcome the resistance of water. Strokes and flips, on the one hand, require flexibility, and on the other hand, help to increase muscle elasticity. Swimming develops mobility and coordination of movements. Swimming requires the coordinated work of the whole body and several muscle groups at the same time. If you count strokes and breaths in your head, then swimming in the pool becomes an excellent training for coordination, functionality, and cognitive abilities. Swimming even contributes to the development of intelligence. Swimming is good for joints and spine. Water is 8 times denser than air, and in it, the human body weighs less. During swimming, there is no compression, so the overall load on the joints and ligaments is reduced. Swimming in the pool helps to strengthen the spine and helps to correct posture, because the load on the spine, on the skeleton and bones is reduced, and at the same time, the back muscles and the cortex work, evenly strengthening. Swimming relieves stress. Of course, in the field of studying this issue, there are still not enough purely scientific studies, but even without them, the assertion that swimming relieves stress is difficult to dispute. Scientists believe that swimming is a potentially powerful way to quickly relieve stress. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen.